Upper back hurting you, suffering from upper back pain, this simple exercise will help relieve that pain. Stand up doing this exercise. You can sit down. It's your choice. You can have any kind of stick. I use a pogo stick. You can use any kind of stick, even a PCV pipe.
Be sure to watch the video until the end to get the most benefit of this exercise for your upper back pain. Subscribe to my channel to be notified of all fresh uploads.
From this position, holding the stick in your hand just like this. Keep your body back straight. Look forward. Arms straight out. Slowly go in. And you pull back against your chest. You'll be pulling your shoulders backwards a little bit. That's what you want. Slowly come back out. Do this at a slow pace. Do 12 of these non-stop. How does this relieve the back pain, upper back pain? Let me explain how.
To relieve upper back pain between the shoulders, push the band straight out slowly. This contracts your rhomboids and trapezius, as the diagram shows. Now pull back in slowly to which releases the tension.
Do this 5 more sets, a total of 6 sets. Do this 5 days out of the week to start off with. Do this for 2 weeks. Drop a comment below with your results, how you feel. Be sure to subscribe to my channel to be notified of fresh uploads. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.